Hi, this is Mr. Evans. This video is the first video in a little series on stakeholders, which is taken from section 3.1.4 of the specification. And you need to understand what is meant by a stakeholder and who the main stakeholders of a business are. And these are the ones that are listed in the specification: employees, owners, employees, customers, local community, and suppliers. They're the ones that are listed in the specification. So what is a stakeholder? A stakeholder is a group of people who have an interest in a business because of its effect on them. So a stakeholder in a business is a member of a particular group that is interested in what a business does, its actions, because of its effect on them. Some stakeholders will be very interested in the day-to-day running of the business because it directly involves them. Some stakeholders are less interested in the day-to-day running of the business, but it still has an effect on them. So here's the ones that are listed in the spec plus a few others. We've got owners, and the owners, of course, of a private or public limited company called shareholders. They obviously have a big interest in the business. Employees who work for the business, its customers, the local community, its suppliers, banks, competitors, local and national government. Okay, again, not all of those are listed in the specification, but just to give you some idea of different stakeholders and who they are. All of these groups are affected by a business, and so therefore they're a stakeholder. We can think of stakeholders in terms of internal stakeholders, the owners, the managers, the employees, who are a part of the business and are involved day to day. External stakeholders are outside of the business, okay, not involved directly in the running of it, but nevertheless all are affected by businesses. So that's it, very simple. A stakeholder, somebody who's a member of a group of people whom the business has an effect on.